Turning from politics to other aspects of our health and well-being. And for that, let's bring in the Chief Scientific Officer for the wellness company, Dr. Peter McCullough. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, good. The Trump administration's recent tariffs on imported pharmaceuticals have raised some concerns about rising prescription drug prices. What impact do you foresee these tariffs on having costs go up or down for medications?
Dozens of countries have come forward and say they want to, negotiate with the Trump administration, except for China. That's the problem. China is the major source of the ingredients and the prescription pharmaceutical products. So many people are coming to the wellness company to get emergency kits, particularly the field kit, which is a broad supply of pre-prescribed medications. Wellness company, we have our own pharmacy in Boca Raton, as well as a pharmacy for our members in Beaumont, Texas. So we've secured a product line now. There could be short-term shortages of medications, and we're well positioned to fill that gap.
Yeah, it seems like China is the big kit and caboodle. So when you're talking about these wellness kits, what are some of the items in the wellness kits that perhaps we would normally be getting from China?
Well, we certainly have the full suite of antibiotics, antivirals, corticosteroids, EpiPens, antiemetics. These are the critical supplies that patients need. Now, as members or those who seek care at the wellness company, we have supplies of insulin, antihypertensives, cholesterol medications, heart medications. So I think people need to take steps now so they don't get burned. And as your prior guest said, there probably will be some short-term pain. We don't want to see people go without, life-saving critical medications.
And as we have this standoff with China, what type of increases do you think you'll see at TWC as opposed to other companies out there?
Well, because we're so far ahead of the game, we don't plan for any price increases in the short term here. So we're in good shape. Long term, we hope this will be a stimulus to bring back pharmaceutical manufacturing for critical medications like antibiotics and others to the United States. We have the capacity. We've just been undercut by China for many, many years, and that looks like that's going to come to an end.
That's such a good point. Now, one other subject here, access to compounded semaglutides is reportedly being curtailed. Can you tell us a little bit about this development and its implications for those trying to seek alternatives to Ozempic and Wegovy?
Mm-hmm. Well, these drugs called GLP-1 receptor agonists do cause, tremendous losses in weight, very favorable cardiac and renal outcomes data, but the compounded access is going to go away. The shots once a week actually do have side effects and have, significant concerns. Now it's available through forms of drops, oral drops, peptide drops that are safe, offered through the wellness company. Two products. One is called Drop. That's for support people through substantial weight loss using retatrutide, and then another product which is actually compounded Ozempic, available through the liquid format, and that's available through drops as well. So these products are going to help people greatly on their weight loss journey.
Very interesting. How do you see the side effects of drops comparing to injectables?
I already have patients on it. It's much less. Patients can control the dose themselves, as opposed to getting a shot and then being stuck with what's in their body. It's clearly going to be the way to go here. I think you're going to see a big movement off of once weekly injections into the oral drops.
Well, that sounds really interesting. Nobody wants a shot, doctor. So these drops may be the way to go. Dr. Peter McCullough, thank you so much for being here this morning. We appreciate you.
Thank you.